let's draw it. So first, remember, we have real actual quadrants, and this is 0 degrees still. So if I'm going negative, I'm going clockwise. So that means negative 60 degrees is going to end up in quadrant 4, where this is 60 degrees. Here's my triangle. And P, which is the vector itself, or the hypotenuse, or again, if you were on a circle, the radius, is 6. So now, if I want to do polar, I really, again, have all the information. There's nothing wrong with saying 6, which is r. Remember, polar is always r comma theta. So I can say 6 comma minus 60 degrees, and that's perfectly acceptable. Or it's exactly the same as 6 comma 300 degrees, because the reference angle is 60. This is 0 and also 360 degrees. So when I go clockwise, I'm going in the negative direction, so I can just say 360 minus 60, which is 300 degrees. What's going to be different? I have the sign, and I don't really want to say negative 60. I'm going to use my positive 60 value, because I know the first quadrant, and I know this is the same as the reference angle. Sine of 60 degrees is going to be opposite, which is y, over hypotenuse, which is 6. That's going to be y over 6. I can multiply both sides by 6, and I get y equals 6. Sine of 60 degrees. Sine of 60 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2. So I'm multiplying both sides by 6. And then this is this. And I can simplify that to 3 times the square root of 3. And then we need to find x. X is equal to 6 cosine of 60 degrees. This is equal to 6. Cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. So this just becomes 3. Now, there is going to be something different here, just a little bit, because I'm in quadrant 4, and this is really saying I'm in quadrant 1. So if I want to put this into the rectangular form, I can say that my vector is equal to, well, x is positive. This is actually my value of x, 3i. Now, the thing that's going to be different is, because I'm in quadrant 4, this quadrant x is positive and y is negative. I would have to say minus 3 times the square root of 3j. And that basically tells me what quadrant I'm in.